Alright everybody, today we're going to be unboxing the JJRC Aircus. I always thought that name was kind of funny. There it is. Everybody's calling it a mini Phantom. Okay, but we'll see about that, won't we? Okay, let's get it out of this box. And there it is. Here's some QR codes. A quick start guide right here. The manual. Here's the quadcopter, and it has a nice feel to it. It has the shiny plastic like the Phantom 4 does. You know how the plastic was on that compared to the Phantom 3, which had the matte finish. The Phantom 4 had the gloss plastic finish, and that's what this has. This has the gloss plastic finish. And so does the remote. And the remote takes 4 AA batteries. I already took that damn screw out of there. Here is the battery. The battery is quite big for this thing. It is a 7.63 thousand. Here's the phone holder. Here's the props, and the props are actually kind of short. I did notice that. Down in here is the screwdriver with the USB cable. So it's not a proprietary USB cable or micro USB cable. So you could use any one you want because I'm sure there's some kind of light on here. When you plug this in, there'll be some light that comes on and tells you it's charging, and then it'll go out. Here's a battery indicator button right there. Right there's the battery indicator. So you turn that and it'll tell you how much juice is in there. Here is the camera. Right here. And it has a spot here for a micro USB card, which I just happen to have my little pack of cards right here, so we'll pop one in there real quick. So there that goes. That was pretty simple. Then you mount the camera underneath of it. So this is going to be the front. So you want to mount the camera right like that. I had it upside down like a dope. Like a dummy. Yeah, it pops in there real easy. Just don't try to put it in upside down like a dummy like me, okay? There you go. And there is no protective film over the camera, I don't think. I don't see one. Let me pick around at it a little bit. No, I don't see anything like that on there. Let me just shine it up a little from me touching it. There's the little Wi-Fi antenna for the camera right there. Yeah. Then to put the props on, it's all labeled for you on here. It'll say A and B right here. So it's marked up for you. They give you 2 extras. And then it says it clearly on the prop, B or A or whatever. So that's going to be pretty simple. They look like they're self-tightening props to me. All right, so you slide the battery in. The battery fits a little snug. Turn it on. I want to see if the gimbal actuates. And it does. It rocks back and forth, it centers, it levels itself. So let's turn on the transmitter, which is right here. That's the level calibration down and to the right. Right there, you can see that. See it flashing? Okay. The transmitter is really nice. It has this really nice diagram on here. Gives you all your telemetry on here on the transmitter. So you actually wouldn't even need to use the app if you didn't have your phone, you forgot your phone or whatever. You could fly it without the app, which I'll try to do that. But up here is your modes up here. You got your, there's a home, and then there's GPS, and that looks like a headless here. It has a high and low rate here. And then it has this little button for tilting the gimbal. There. Watch, you can see the gimbal move when I hold that in. Right there, see it? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty decent. Now, if we have it in this manual mode here, I can probably just arm the motors and just fly it off in here for a minute. Because I've never calibrated it, or I haven't done anything with it, to be honest with you. But I'm going to see if you can get a look at the telemetry and everything on the transmitter, if it'll show on the camera here, right there. You got all your telemetry right there, built into this little screen that's on the transmitter, which I think is a nice touch. Very nice touch. And it gives you your battery life, your satellites, your distance, your height, the speed. It gives you your speed too. So that looks really neat. Let's see if we can arm the motors. It has a little bit of weight to it too. Let's see if we can arm the motors. Yes, we can. Oh, and it does that little woo woo like DJI stuff, you know. And then here's a photo and video button in the back. Okay, and then it automatically shuts down after like 5 seconds if you don't start it up. So let's just arm it again, which is down and in. Okay. Could use a little satellite lock there. It was wandering around a lot. But, you know, I've never calibrated the compass or did anything like that. So, you know, this was just straight out of the box. You know, straight out of the box, throw the battery in and go over there and try it. So, yeah, it seemed to fly okay. You know, took off. Props didn't fly off. The gimbal works. Now, I'm sure the picture quality is going to be crap, but, I mean, you know, it is what it is. It's a toy, okay? It's a toy. It looks like a Phantom 4, but it's not. All right, guys, there you go. The JJRC Aircus. We will, we'll get this charged all the way up and get everything going, and I'll figure out this damn thing. Maybe I'll have to watch another YouTube video to figure this out. Who knows? All right, guys. Have a nice day.